All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. We are live for a little late night live session. I think we are at least going live. Yeah, we are. Okay, good. First ever live stream in the new location. So welcome in. You are joining the first live stream and the new location. Welcome in. We're looking at VeChain right now. VeChain is looking super, super bullish. Look at this chart on VeChain. I mean, you gotta love this, and it is continuing to move upwards. So, great stuff here on VeChain. We're going to talk about a bunch of different assets, get a few different trading views up, and welcome in. So let's go tradingview.com. That's perfect. Pull that up again. Yeah, this is VET right now. Just great movement. Here's Cardano. This is another one. Great action here on Cardano too. Let's see here. What else is moving nicely? Doge actually on the move, so that's kind of cool. Doge is on the move. XRP now back on the move, back up to the upside here. Look at XRP, that's super bullish. Very nice. Very nice on XRP. DOT, how about DOT? I mean, this thing, crazy pump just a little bit ago, actually. We're looking at 2-hour charts here, 2-hour sticks, rather. Look at this last stick on DOT. How about that? Boom. Everything's looking super bullish right now. I mean, a lot of different assets looking super, super bullish. Welcome in, everybody. Link, that's another one. Chainlink, I think this has been so underpriced for such a long time, and now we're seeing major movement here from Chainlink. Loving this. This is a long time coming for Chainlink. Chainlink is one of those assets that I think really oversells quite often. Link is one that I truly believe in. It's definitely one that I hold, and I wish I could have added on more. There's just other assets that I've liked a little bit more during these downturns in the market. Monkey Butt, what's happening, man? Just slices of pizza. I love it. What's happening, brother? LTC, Litecoin. We don't talk about this one much, but this is some great action on Litecoin. Look at that. Just awesome charts right now. I mean, across the board, so many different you can look at. Look at our Crow coin. How about this? Look at the Crow coin just continuing to channel right in our lines that we drew a while back. Look at that. Nice action there on Crow. Man, this is just looking super bullish. Here comes SHIB too. How about it? So last candlestick here on SHIB. These are 2-hour sticks. Let's go to the 1-hour sticks actually here. Let's do 1 hour. There we go. So there's SHIB coming back a little bit as well. Let's look at Doge. Nice, up over 21 cents. That's looking nice. All right, y'all, hit that like button on your way in if you haven't already too. That'd be great. Ethereum, super bullish on Ethereum. Look at these. Look at this action on Ethereum. Oh my gosh, you gotta love it. These are 1-hour sticks now. Look at ETH, just continuing to climb. Loving that. Absolutely loving it. One of my favorites though, VeChain. Loving that action too. Look at that. Great stuff here. So back to Ethereum, some interesting news on ETH. Not sure if you guys caught this in one of my recent updates, but Ethereum, Coca-Cola now using Ethereum to form NFTs. How about that? Coca-Cola, obviously a huge company, using Ethereum to create NFTs, which is just super cool. Look at the Ethereum chart. This is way back on the 20th. This is the 11-day movement here. This looks really familiar. This looks like a few months ago where like ETH just never looked like it was going to come down, right? Look at this. I mean, just crazy movement. Look at that. Yeah, this is the run up on ETH right now. I got NFT on Binance. What can I do with it? Shiba Inu. What NFT did you purchase there over on Binance? Which one did you get? Sunil Roy, welcome. Welcome in, and glad you became an insider, man. Thanks so much for joining. So Sunil, make sure that the link works for you to get into the Discord. If it does not, please message me and I'll make sure you get that link, okay? Because every once in a while I have to change it out on YouTube, and then it has to go through this review process. So welcome in, man. Glad you're joining up here on YouTube, and you are now an insider. You're going to be joining us over on our private Discord, so welcome in, man. So Ethereum, yeah, interesting things going on. Obviously, we got the EIP 1559, which is coming up on August 4th. After that, we've got another bullish upgrade, which is going to, I can't remember the numbers on that, but that upgrade is going to move us from proof of work over to proof of stake. So they're really fast tracking this process. When it comes to ETH, guys, they're moving quicker than they thought they would, okay? And I think early 2022 is when we'll see a full move for Ethereum over to proof of stake. That's just kind of my gut. Some people are saying, well, it could happen as early as 2021. It might, but I'm looking at 2022. And Vitalik Buterin has also said most likely early 2022 on Ethereum moving to the proof of stake. So as y'all come in, if you could hit that like button, first live stream in the new spot. So welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Everto, my man, what's happening? James, what's up? Checking in from the Mo. What's up, James? How you doing, brother? Shiba Rai, how we doing? Appen NFT, I think I got it from Staking Shib, not sure. Okay, interesting. I don't know much about it, Shiba Inu, but I would just hold on to it, man. I would hold on to it and see if it goes up in value. Basically, a lot of people buy NFTs and hold them until the price is right. You've got a digital collectible now, and you could do some digging on similar NFTs and see what they sold for, and see if you could form an exit strategy around some of the previous ones. What's up, James? How you doing, brother? My catchy images, appreciate that, man. Thank you for the kind words, appreciate that. So my two favorite right now, well, I guess I have three favorite in terms of just looking at the charts. XRP, super, super bullish. Look at that. I mean, that is just super, super bullish. But look at VET, too. Look at VET's chart. I mean, that is just super, super bullish, too. We're looking back, the July 20th date is where we're going to look at all these, because that's where it bottomed out, okay? So here's Dogecoin. We've seen some movement upwards, right? But not as much, okay? So, yeah, nice. Doge, slowly kind of moving up, slowly tracking up. Little pump here when Bitcoin pumped, which we'll see that pump with Bitcoin. But here's Doge versus XRP. Which looks more bullish right now? XRP, right? Here's Doge. Here's that July 20th date right down in here. Here's Doge. Here's VET. Boom. Here's ADA from the July 20th. Okay. So Cardano's definitely one. I am super, super high on y'all. And there are so many things down the pike here for Cardano. Make sure you check out that video I put out, 5 cryptos to watch. And they're major altcoins. 5 cryptos to watch in August. They are the major altcoins. I'm looking at my list. I don't want to give them all away. But yeah, all 5 are major. But I think they're definitely ones we need to pay close attention to. Of course, all the altcoins hinge on what? Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So altcoins moving always hinges on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So long that Bitcoin and Ethereum move up over the next several months, as we head into Q4, which I think they will, I think we are going to be getting ready for a mega run similar to the one we saw back in September 2020. I think one could start, well, a year later, September 2021. And here's the thing. I think this run is going to be bigger than the last one. I do. I'm loving Crow at the moment too. Yay, Verto. Me too, brother. I'm invested in Crow. Love it. shout out to WorkZay, one of our private Discord members, Patreon members. Shout out to you, WorkZay, man. I think you put a lot of people on the Crow coin, because we were covering it on the channel, just how big it was for Crypto.com, how big it was for crypto in general when they signed that 10-year, $175 million UFC deal, right? But it kind of went right over my head. It's like, why aren't we looking at the Crow coin, right? And WorkZay, he just goes by Zay, but I think his name on YouTube is WorkZay. But Zay let everybody know, he's like, shouldn't we be looking at the Crow coin? And right on stream, and we were all just like, yeah, we should be. And a lot of us invested into it that day. And I remember that. So if you want to join our private community, here are the details. I'm going to put this link over in the chat. Check this out. Tomorrow is the 1st of the month. Best day to join up is 1st of the month, because you're going to get the most bang for your buck here. So if you want to give a private community a try, consider this one. I think you're going to enjoy it. You're going to learn from some great people, and I'll tell you what, I've learned a ton from a ton of our private community members. It's just so awesome to have a community inside of a larger community on YouTube that we can go to with questions, right? Whether you're a new investor or you're an old investor who's just looking to get into new assets, somebody knows something about an asset that you're thinking about in our private community. I promise you that. And it's just a great place to be. So we'd love to have you over there. What's up, Mr. Junior? How you doing, man? So let's get back to the charts here. Julio, what's up, brother? Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Yes, Steve. Appreciate that, man. Also hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, get more great content. Appreciate you, brother. I'm heavily invested in Crow, my second largest holding. Got myself the silver card recently for all the reward perks. That's awesome, Everto. Sweet, man. Love it. Love it, brother. And Everto, appreciate Everto is one of our private community members as well. Everto, and so is Kamal Deep. What's up, man? How you doing? Everto, appreciate the suggestions for the backdrop. Appreciate that, man. I'm gonna do some cool things on the shelf back there eventually. Put some lighting up there. I got plans. I'm gonna do some cool stuff back there. So appreciate your suggestions, man. And I've got an industrial size monitor sitting over here that is super sweet. I eventually want to hang that up either in front of me so I can look at it, but probably back in here and have it, going through different things on screen behind me. It's a sweet monitor. So I think it streams in like 4K too, so it's pretty sweet. I'm doing great, Kamal Deep. By the way, how you doing, man? Are you in Satama Inu? No, Carter, I'm not. I'm not following that train right now. I said that this morning on the live stream. Right now, I'm in Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Those are the community coins I talk about, that I address, because one reason only, brother. When you go over to CoinMarketCap, where are the community coins? Where are the only two in the top 100? Only two community coins in the top 100. You tell me. Well, there's one right here. Shiba Inu still. It's $2.5 billion market cap still, y'all. It's still at 2.5. I know there's been a lot of, negative stuff coming out, quite frankly. And I'm here to tell you, I'm with you. I'm with you, okay, on SHIB. But here's the thing. It's still number 45 in all of crypto. And Dogecoin's in the top 10. Those are the two I'm covering. That's where I'm at, okay? That's where I'm at. So let me do one little thing here on the side. Welcome in, everybody. Glad you found the stream. Sia coin pumping. Yeah, OC, I saw that, man. Somebody mentioned that in the Discord. Was it you? Sometimes I can't relate the name to the Discord name. Was that you in the Discord that mentioned Sia coin pumping? Might have been. Julio, we're early in the game. Think within the next 5 years. I hear you, brother. And I agree. I agree with you, man. I agree with you, man. I'm just changing up some things in the description here real quick. Hold on. Let's see. I got to get our Shiba Inu followers in here. Right? We're going to talk about SHIB. All right, so let's save that. Nice. No, it wasn't me. Okay, just somebody else looking at Sidecoin. Hey, man, it's looking solid. It's looking solid. So detecting with Patrick, welcome in. Nice. Hey, man, fairly new to crypto. Just want to say thanks for being straight up with your videos. Ton of garbage out there that repeats the same info with misleading thumbnails and titles. Detecting with Patrick, I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. Anybody new out there, I'd love to hear from you. If you're thinking about subscribing, hopefully you do. Give the video a thumbs up, obviously, if you haven't already. Go ahead and gently tap the like button, smash it, do whatever you want to it. Just click it on. But I appreciate the kind words, man. I really do. I try to keep it real. I try to keep it 100 and tell you the good, the bad, the ugly, what have you. And we talk about all different kind of assets here. We cover the gamut. So, but I have my favorites, of course, right? I have my personal favorites, and I tend to lean on those a little bit more, right? Whether it's Polygon, which is also looking pretty bullish lately. How about that? That's a nice looking chart from that July 20th date, isn't it? Whether it's Matic or AMP has become a new favorite of mine. I'm really liking AMP now recently, as well as Theta and Theta Fuel and Link and XRP and Doge and BTC, of course, VET, VET, ADA. Yeah, man, so I appreciate that. It's SHIB. I appreciate the kind words, man. Really do. Thank you for the super sticker. Who was that? Infinite Money Coin. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Thank you for the super sticker, brother. What's up, Tenzin? How you doing, man? Dylan, anyone notice the recent Neo pump? It's considered the Chinese Ethereum. Interesting. Okay, Dylan, I have to look into that more. And Dylan, you're in our private community, aren't you? I'm pretty sure you are, man. Welcome in, brother. Aaron Bone, bring on the bull run. May as well congratulate you all right now for getting in early. Hashtag SHIB. Love it, Aaron. Love it, man. Yeah, and that's the thing. People can't see the long term. Not everybody could see it like that, right? They only think of making quick money. This is not a get rich quick scheme. That's not what crypto investing is, or any investing. At least I don't think that's what it should be. There's people that'll day trade and things like that. I'm a long-term holder, man. I buy dips and I hold things that I believe are going to at least 10x, right? That's another thing maybe I haven't stressed enough, but I look at assets and say, okay, Cardano's at, whenever I bought it last, 102. Do I think Cardano's going to get to $10 someday? The answer is yes, right? So I know, well, I don't know, right? Nothing's guaranteed, but I'm comfortable putting my money in there and waiting. Because I know if I put that money into a savings account, it's not going to 10x 5 years from now. But putting it in Cardano, it can. Putting it into VET at 3 cents earlier this year, okay? I've 3x'd already. It's at 9 cents right now. I've 3x'd on my VET investment from earlier this year, okay? And, you know, this is why I love investing, because if you have that long-term mindset, if you have patience, if you have the kahunas to buy dips when psychology says you should be saving your money or not investing, you will reap the rewards in the end, and you'll love it. Alan, what's up? So hearing about all the new hype coins, so sick of hearing about all the new hype coins. It brings in new investors looking to make mills overnight. Thanks for mixing it up and not being a hype guy. You bet, Alan. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for being a member here on YouTube. Appreciate you, brother. You all can join the YouTube. If you hit that join button, you can watch a little video. I break that down. Shout out to one of our new members tonight. We just added Sunil Roy, so welcome in, Sunil. I personally am excited about ADA, Matic, Link, VET, and CELR. Dude, I'm with you, Ruggles. Those are all good ones. What's up, Ali? Hi, Zach. Thanks for your informative videos. Hope a year from now you'll be streaming from a mansion. That'd be pretty dope, man. I saw your comment, too, on the video. You mentioned that same thing, man. Appreciate it. I don't know if I'll ever be a mansion guy, but I'll take a little nicer spot. I'm pretty frugal, man. I don't need much to be happy, personally. I'm never probably going to buy the fancy car. You know, I don't need all that. You know, I drive a 2013 Honda Civic, man. I could drive a little nicer car, but I don't need it, right? It just gets me to point A to point B, man. I'd rather spend my money on experiences and crypto investing. That's just me, though. What's up, everybody? IE Bad Boy. I'm trying to keep up with the chat here. Hit that like button, too, if you haven't already. Quick TV timeout. Takes 0.24 seconds. Really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and smash the like button for me. And Vet is moving like crazy, y'all. Look at this. Man, loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay. Dario, what's up? Not happy with SHIB dev team not compensating their volunteers accordingly and being damn cheap about investing on marketing. I hear you, Dario. I'm with you, man. I think investing more in marketing probably would be a good idea, especially at this point, since we've kind of flattened out. We're not selling off. We're just kind of flatlining at the moment, right? Just double my position in XRP, Vet, and Doge earlier today. Mr. Junior, that's looking nice, I'm sure already, brother. Nice. Just want to say thank you, watching you all the time. You bet, Kostya. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Or man or female. I'm not sure if you're a guy or a girl, but appreciate the kind words. And thank you. Detecting with Patrick. Yeah, love the variety. Definitely learned a lot from your channel. The only crypto channel I subscribe to. Appreciate that, Detecting. I really do. I'm super grateful for all of you out there. Really. Very, very grateful for all of y'all. So appreciate that. Appreciate the kind words. And it makes it all worth it. You know, when you all tell me that, it keeps me going because there's some days I don't want to do it. It's like anything else, right? But sometimes you got to do the things even when you don't want to do it. Because there's other days where I love it and everything looks great. And I think we're getting into one of those big run-ups in the market. So I think this is going to be a lot of fun. And I just appreciate all of you so much. So thank you. Matic, XRP, ADA, SHIB, Doge, etc. There you go, James. It's a good list. I have not looked into that one, Hayden. I'll have to check that one out. Jay Boogie, what's up, man? Look into RSR. We'll do it, Julio. I'll check into the RSR. I've heard of that one. I might have looked at it before, so I'll check that out. People should forget about the stories of others investing a few $100s and turn to big millionaires in a few months. It's a long holding game. I agree, Ali. Good evening, Eric. Any thoughts on Ergo, Cardano version of Link? Don't know much about it, Eric, but I appreciate you letting us know about it. That's something to look at. There's always something to learn in crypto. That's what I've come to find out. Zach, how do you see how much Shiba Inu you have earned from staking Shiba on Shiba Swap? I see Bone in Ethereum, but not sure how to see how much Shiba or X Shiba. I think you see it, don't quote me on this, Jacob, but I think you'll see it when you can reap the rewards. Correct me if I'm wrong, somebody. Which is what, once a week? C2493, what's up? It's a long-term hold if you want to see success, so don't give up. That's it. Patience is a virtue in all walks of life, in everything, right? But especially in investing. If you have that short-minded, get-rich-quick scheme type attitude, don't invest. Just go to the casino, right? Or gamble. Because this is not that. This is seeing what the future holds and being willing to wait and buy dips, right? And it's tough. There are days where you're like, I'm way down. People have it in their head. I'm losing money. I lost. You only lose if you sell. Remember that. You only lose if you sell. Luis, what's happening? Luis is another great private Discord member. One of our first private Discord members, Luis. Appreciate you, man. Hannah, BTT is on fire. Ooh, is that BitTorrent? Let's pull that up. BTT, huh? All right, let's check it. BTT. Let's add it. Where's BT? Oh, there it is. BTT. Interesting. Let's pull this out to the 2 hour here. I don't know why that's chart's a little shaky there, but that is some nice action. Definitely. What's Flow doing? Flow was ripping the other day, huh? It's come back down, so it might be a good time if you like Flow. You know, I'm going to be covering a lot of the top coins, like the top daily coins. I'm going to be creating a lot more videos like that. But here's one thing to keep in mind when you see these videos that say, you know, this coin went up 50% overnight. that just means keep it on your radar. I'm not saying buy into that coin as it's running up, but when it comes back down here, now that flow can get back to those recent highs. Right now is a good time maybe to buy in, especially here because you're seeing two support lines. Hit this support line, went back up. Hitting this support line again, right? It should go back up here if history repeats itself right here, okay? Marty, yes, you can hit my like button anytime. Anytime, Marty. Anybody else, if you want to hit that like button, you're totally able to. Everybody is welcome to smash the like button. Do whatever you want to the like button. What's up, Mike? Hey, Zach. Sorry I'm late, and I see you finally set up. Glad to hear, and congrats, bro. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, I'm set up in the new spot. Eventually, I'll have some more things happening in the background to make it cool and unique and all that. But right now, it's just, yeah. I don't have the beautiful trees in the windows, but, make the most of it. We'll have some cool stuff back there eventually. Just saved myself $350 by fixing my own AC. Nice, Danny's World. What are you going to do with that? Put it right into crypto? Hopefully. The stake rewards are changing to bi-weekly now. Oh, Alejandro, thank you. So there you go. Bi-weekly rewards for staking SHIB over on the swap. You can see the X Shiba on the DBank website. There you go, Ali. Appreciate that. Combo Deep, you bet, man. I appreciate the kind words, my friend. Alan, I have a growing family, excuse me, on 7 acres in the woods, not looking to get rich. We do well, but I would love to pay off my house and property in the next 5 to 10 years and leave a good amount for my kids. That's what it's all about, Alan, isn't it? Generational wealth. Generational wealth. Leaving your loved ones more than what you started with. That's a blessing, man, and that's awesome to hear, brother. And I appreciate all your support here on the channel. And I love that you're part of this community, man. So thank you. I'll tell you what, Dylan, if Doge bridges with Ethereum, we don't know if that's going to happen for certain, right? But if that happens, I think it's game on for Doge for sure. And I would love it because Dogecoin was actually built, to be similar to Bitcoin. SHIB was actually built to be similar to Ethereum. But if Doge makes that transition over to Ethereum, I think it could scale much quicker, and it will help out Ethereum in the process too. I hold both, so I'll be pumped. I'll be pumped if that happens because I think it'll be good for both assets. Cleveland, I guess the XRP craze died out. I don't think so, man. I don't know. From what I'm seeing on this chart and from what I'm reading, I think things are looking very, very good for XRP. I mean, look at this chart. Now, you tell me what you see here. That is just steady growth from down here at the bottom of, July 20th. It was down at what, 51 cents. It's now at 75 cents. Went from 51 cents to 75 cents in 11 days. And look at the gains. I mean, it's not a big burst up. It's incremental. Nice jump. Flatten out, come back down, rise up a little bit, boom. Come back down, boom. Down, boom. It continues to set higher and higher highs here each and every day. Look at this. And we're heading up there again. Look at that. Look at that if we zoom in. I'm loving it. I'm loving what XRP's doing. And I got a little FOMO right now, I'm not going to lie. Maybe I need to download or actually go through with this Uphold. I know I said I was going to do it. I know. I don't know what I'm waiting for. I just don't want to use an app I don't necessarily love. That's kind of my thing. Why not Coinbase just relist it, please? That'd be so much easier. Or crypto.com, that'd be great. But Cleveland Randy, yeah, I don't think the craze has died out at all, my friend. I think we're just getting started. So that's just my opinion, though, of course, always. Not a financial advisor. Up almost 17% on DOT today. Yeah, how about it? DOT is really running nice. Up 100% on Luna. Nice, Marty. Yeah, look at DOT, y'all. DOT is jumping. Look at that. This is Polkadot right here. I'll tell you what, Polkadot, they've got a blockchain that has just an enormous ecosystem brewing. And I pulled up an infographic. Let me see if I can find it over here on the left-hand side, and I'll pull it up over here. It was on Twitter. Let me see if I can find it. I actually put it up in the video upload that I did right before I came on live here in the top 5 altcoins. So there's one giveaway. One of the top 5 altcoins for August is Polkadot. But let me see if I can find this this image, because this is pretty cool. So, and it kind of speaks to the ecosystem they're really growing here. And it's been pretty quiet for DOT. Like, they're just kind of slowly building out their ecosystem. It's pretty nuts. So let me see if I can find it. I would think, oh, I think I'm going to go latest here. Latest, I should be able to find it here, because I found it and put it in the video earlier. Where is it? Where is it? Here, I'll pull this over so you can see what the heck I'm doing. Here, hold on one sec. So, where is it? Where is it? It's a nice infographic. I'm trying to find it for y'all. You might just have to go watch that video I put out if you haven't. It was a really cool infographic. Oh, wait, here. I have Polkadot Man in there. Well, no crap, I can't find it. Why the heck do I have Polkadot Man in there? ETH trying to break resistance right now. Love it, Stefan. Steven. Love it, love it. I think ETH is going to run. Do you think ETH gets to 5K? Let me know in the chat. Does ETH get to 5K? Light up the chat if ETH gets to 5K. Yes, no. Just yes or no. Where the heck is it, man? All right, so here, let me do. People are leaving. They're like, this guy, you don't know what the heck he's doing. That's all right. We'll find it. We'll find it. Yes, I agree. How crazy is that? The algorithm just doesn't want me to refine that piece again? What the heck? What's up, Hector? Yes on ETH, I agree. A lot of yeses. A lot of yeses. You gotta be kidding. That's hilarious. I love that. Here it is. But there was a much bigger one. Top 10 Polkadot ecosystem tokens. That's what. Why can't I just find the one that I had? The algorithm should feed it to me, right? The algorithm should work in my favor. Also, if you want to help out the algorithm here on YouTube, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. That's the best way to give back. Appreciate that. All right, anyway, let me just go here. Because this kind of, okay, this is better. Ecosystem tokens by price performance in 2021. So look at this. These are all Polygon ecosystem tokens. How cool is that? I mean, crushing it. Decentraland's in there. Love it. Anchor's in there. Aave. You start to really see the ecosystem DOT is creating. It's one that I want to invest in soon, y'all. It's definitely one I want to start investing in very soon. ETH will hit 10K in 2022. I don't think that's out of the realm of possibility at all. I think that's definitely possible. I do think that. ETH is going to the moon with the coming update. I hear you. I'm with you. Daniel, what's up? ETH hits 5K. I think so too, brother. Good, Jacob. I put 500 on ETH as a test at 5 p.m. today. It is now at 525. There you go. There you go, my friend. Alan, you got the idea. Sorry to say it just happened before. When a lot of money is easily available, people can change. It's a very sad thing to think about, but this is humans for you. Was that a response to Ali? Okay, gotcha. Don't skip on that dot, Zach. Yeah, I'm with you, Alan. I'm starting to realize that, man. Alan, I love your what do you call it? Avatar, man. It's very cool. The Ethereum avatar. I love that, man. Very, very cool. Dylan, SHIB will tear down a couple of zeros before the end of the year. I think it's definitely highly possible still, Daniel. What I think really needs to happen right now, I hate to say it because I'm frustrated with Coinbase, but that would be big. Infinite Money, appreciate the shout out, man. Appreciate that. Y'all can follow me over on Twitter if you want to too. If you're a tweeter, follow me on Twitter over here at Z_Humphries. If you're a tweeter, my dot finally getting more respect. Yeah, Steven, you've been calling it, man. I'm with you. Zach, did Stone get you to buy some runes since he told me to buy? Up 50%. Really, Marty. I did not buy it, but I'm glad you did. And you listen to Stone. Stone's another one of our moderators. Super knowledgeable, knows his stuff. Definitely. What's your take on Shiba Inu? It's way too early for me to give an opinion on it right now. I'm not going to cover it at this moment. UG Present Shadow. I know a lot of people, some content creators, as well as some people in the dev team. They've kind of jumped ship and started covering it. That's cool. I'm just not going to be that person. I'm going to continue to cover the top two that I believe are the best in the space still. And the top two, in my mind, in my opinion, and CoinMarketCap.com says this as well, are SHIB and Doge. That's where I'm at, man. What's your take on Harmony 1? I like it. Stone has made me some great money with his tips. Definitely, Anthony. 100%, man. Anthony, I appreciate you too, man. You're always in here, always hanging out. Anthony's another one, guys. Super knowledgeable. Definitely somebody to listen to as well. So, Aaron, wasn't there something on Twitter earlier about Coinbase listing, or was it just fake advertising? I think what you may have saw, Aaron, was that it's listed on Coinbase Pro now. So that's about it. I think that's all I saw. I haven't seen anything else different from that. So yeah, I think you're caught up. I'm fairly certain ETH will 5K in 2022. Just wondering with inflation what 5K will buy you by the end of the year. That's good. That's a good point, Daniel. Yeah, that's why I'm just gonna hold it. Or, if I do anything, well, as long as stable coins are still stable. Sometimes I do move some profits over into a stable coin to secure those gains, and then we can always buy dips, and we put it into a stable coin and wait for it to dip, right? That's a good way to go about it. 69 likes, perfect. What's up, Todd P? Nice. You know what? I have got 69 patrons on my Patreon group too. Pretty sure I'm stuck at 69. So tomorrow's the first of the month. How about this segue? Tomorrow's the first of the month. If you want to be the 70th patron member and get us off that number 69, come on over, join our private community. We'd love to have you. And there you go. I'm trying to be funny. Any idea how the Bitcoin doubling project works exactly? Omar, welcome to the stream. Not much. Not enough to speak on it, man. Not enough to speak on it. Happy wife, happy life. That's it, Julio. You got that right. I follow only 69 people on Instagram. Nice. All the ladies are probably like, oh gosh, here go the guys with the 69 jokes again. We got to be a little immature, we're guys. I have my doubts about SHIB getting a good spike when Coinbase hits. Sadly, looking at Doge when it was listed next to price action. Daniel, appreciate that, man. Yeah, Daniel is a new patron as well. Zach's Patreon, Discord, full of good people, learning tons. Appreciate that, my friend. Yeah, we'd love to have more of you join. Come on over and join us. Tomorrow's first of the month, so great time to join. Of course, those first few days in July, you're going to get the most bang for your buck, and heck, try it out for a month, see if you like it. The big thing with the $20 per month. Let me just show you this real quick, and then we'll stop. We'll stop with the plugs. All right, buy and sell trade alerts. That's the big one. Anytime I buy and sell, you'll know. Group portfolio. You get to see our shared portfolio that we grow together. Monday newsletter with 5 crypto to watch every Monday, 4 times a month, and then insider only messaging and content with that $20 per month. All right. Check your Twitter. Got it, Anthony. I'm on it, brother. And then we're going to come back to this XRP story because I know you'll like that too, brother. All right. If y'all just checking in, let's get to 100 likes. I know there's probably 27 of y'all who forgot to hit the like button. So pause what you're doing. Take a minute. Not even a minute. Take a half second and smash the like button for me real quick. Really does help with the YouTube algorithm and all that good junk. All right, so what do you got for me, Anthony? My man's always got some good content here, so appreciate that, brother. Let's see what you got. Drop a like for this great content to appear for others on the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, Stefan. Steven. Why do I keep messing that up? I think it's Stefan. Hannah, appreciate that. What's your thoughts on Omi, a sleeping giant? I've heard about Omi quite a bit, the Himalayan Yeti, but not invested in it. I know they got the partnership with Disney. With Disney? Am I dizzy? What the heck's going on here? With Disney, so that's cool. You don't respond to us women. Nicole, I try to do everything I can. Christine, I know you're always in here. Nicole, I am not by any means only answering men. So Nicole, welcome. I'm sorry, did I miss your... Let me go back up to Nicole's question. I must have missed one. Nicole, did you ask something before, Nicole? There it is. I had to look it up. Elon coin is up 83%. I guess that's why my wallet grew. Nice. Sorry, I did not mean to miss you. I promise. People who've been here for a long time know that I'm not that person. So, how you doing, Christine? Hannah's always in here too. Appreciate you, Hannah. Elmore, what's happening, brother? I was being sarcastic to your comment. Okay, got you, Nicole. That's cool. I like sarcasm. Sorry, it's hard to read sarcasm when you don't have those nonverbals, right? Nonverbals, I believe, are 90% of all communication, 90 to 95% of all communication. So without nonverbals, you see why, like, you know, breaking up with someone via a text message is a bad idea, right? Okay, what do we got here, Anthony? I guess I'll accept cookies. Wessel XRP Ripples Collector's Coin, real gold plated. So what do we got here? Oh, my guy Stock Mo just tweeted, Ethereum is blowing up. Let's go. Hats off to my Ethereum brothers and sisters out there for DCAing through the latest round of red, dollar cost averaging. It's not a question of if Ethereum will hit. It's not a question of if Ethereum will hit 10K, but when. Love it. All right, so what do we got here? So elaborate and detailed, made of solid metal, plated with real gold. Interesting. Oh. Are you showing me this for your background shelf? Okay, that's what I thought, Anthony. I like it, man. How big is it? Diameter 40 millimeters. So it's not that big, huh? I want something like pretty big up there. Something's going to be an Ethereum something up there. I'm going to do something. But I appreciate you sending me this. That's nice. Zach, how do you check the shorts? What site? Bitmask? Mike, no. If you go over to... Here, let me show you, bro. Here, I don't need two trading views, actually, at the moment. Bitcoin shorts, if you go over to datamish.com, datamish.com, you can check the shorts. So let's see here. There it is. It's loading up. Taking a minute to load up. A little slow. Let's see here. Bitcoin shorts versus longs. There it is. So this is a really low number. Okay. 1,648. That's great. This is a great sign for the market here. Yeah, Datamish. Datamish. Datamish.com. You got it, brother. Everto, the best news is the amount of BTC that has been taken out of exchanges. It's an amazing sign for a bull run. Everto, yes. Ethereum and Bitcoin. The supply of Ethereum and Bitcoin on exchanges is dropping. It's going down, which is very bullish. Why? As supply goes down, demand goes up. And you're 100%, man. It is super bullish sign, and it's looking a lot like September 2020. I think we're gearing up for a very similar situation. And yeah, I'm ready for it. And I know all of y'all are ready too. Hey, Zach, did you see that Elon went up 55,000% earlier today, and it was a glitch, but it caused a huge stir around the coin? Interesting. Let's see. Thank you, WM. Appreciate that, man. Put $100 into 5 Inu knockoff coins, made 2,800. This market is completely illogical. TJ, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Nicole, I'm sorry. Now you got people hitting you up all over the place. I didn't realize you were just being sarcastic. But for real though, I'm not that guy. You know, I wanted to put that out there because I couldn't sense the sarcasm. But now I got you. How many people out there think Ethereum hits 10K by the end of the year? Can that happen? 10K by the end of the year? I think 5K. A lot of people said yes. Pretty much everybody. I don't think anybody said no to 5K by the end of the year. What about 10K? Yes or no? Light up the chat. Yes or no on 10K ETH? Can that happen in 2021? 10K ETH? So the all-time high, let's go over to it. Let's see here. 52-week high, which is the all-time high. Where is it? Let's see. Strong buy on the technicals for ETH. Okay, so 52-week range. There it is. 4,372 is the all-time high. 4,300. Let's just call it 4,400. So a lot of people think we're going to blow past that and at least hit 5K. Are we getting to 10K? I could do a poll. You're right, Steven. All right, let's do a poll. Let's do a little poll here. Let's do some poll action. 10K definitely, but it will drop. I think so too. I can see that. Back down to 4 to 6. I think that's a solid guesstimate there, Alan. Like that word? Guesstimate. Let's see. Hit. So here's the other question, and maybe I'll do another question after this. If it hits 10K, do you take profits or move it over to a stable coin and wait for the dips and then buy back in? Or what are you doing? That's the question, right? Here we go. All right. So poll is coming at you live. No other puppy coins for me. It's Doge and Shib. That's it. That's what I'm in. Let's see. Tori, what's happening, man? Going right to you, Tori. Thanks for being a member too, brother. Thanks for being a huge member of the community. Tori's in our private Discord. He's a member here on YouTube, and he's been with me almost since day one here on the channel that I started. Well, I started a little while back, but I started talking about crypto in mid-May is when I started really talking about crypto. And Tori, you've been here, man, all through it, and I appreciate you, brother. I need it on the next text message notification. YouTube sucks. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, man. I don't know why not everybody gets the notifications. I don't know. BTC 100K by the end of the year. Ooh, Mr. Junior, I think it's possible, man. I'm gonna say 70K. I'm gonna say it's gonna break 70K. I think it goes somewhere to 75-ish, in my opinion. What's the artwork back on your shelf there, Zach? Not any artwork, but it is just pictures of my family, pictures of the United States, and it says "Home is where the heart is." And you could put little tacks in the wall of where you're from. It's kind of cool. I know it's hard to see. Eventually, I'm going to put some things up there that are bigger and poppy and lighty and all that. I just made up a bunch of words, but you know where I'm going with that. Everyone needs to make sure to hit the bell, select all for notifications. Yeah, Tori, if you haven't hit the bell and select all, definitely do that. But I think Tori may have already done that. But I appreciate that, Anthony. Anything I make big on, I'm going to stake 50% for taxes, 25% reinvest, 25% I'll keep. Alejandro, I love that, man. Love that vision, brother. Love that you have a plan in place. Something we always stress on the channel too. Always have an exit strategy when you enter into a trade, right? Before you click the buy button, you should know what the exit strategy is, right? Definitely. Elmore, what's happening, man? Glad you became a member. Welcome to the squad. Welcome to the team. You've always been a part of the team, but now you're official. Your name will light up in green. I will go right to you when you comment. Appreciate you, brother. Alan, I make homemade wood American flags. You need one behind you. That would be cool, man. That would be super cool. How much do they run, Alan? I would definitely get one. Or can I buy them off a website? Let me know, bro. You need a huge picture of yourself on the wall. Craig, no, man. I am not that egotistical. In fact, I don't have an ego. Well, everybody has an ego, but I try to keep mine very low, and I don't take myself very seriously, man. A picture of me behind the wall is just, it's not my vibe. It's not my vibe, bro. Let's see. One bill and I'm out. One bill on what? Oh, like making one bill? I'd be out too on one bill. Let's see what else is popping here. Dot still doing great here. Man, Dot's looking super crazy. Look at that pump. Sahil, I get paid on the 7th. Do you think it would be wise to put my investment money into ETH, all in, or buy little and wait for a dip and buy more? Sahil, it's a good question, and I know a lot of people come across this. I'll say this, man. If you're planning on continuing to dollar cost average into ETH, that's another option for you, right? Anytime you get money, you just never worry about the price. You just dollar cost average, right? Whether that's twice a month, once a week, whatever that is. Coinbase is cool because you could set it up to do it on the 15th and 31st of every month, right? A lot of people get paid bi-monthly. So if you're going to do that, you don't even care where the price is. You're just putting whatever, $100 on the 15th and $100 on the 31st of every month into ETH. And you don't have to worry about it. You don't care where the price is. Over time, you're going to watch that thing grow. So it really depends on your exit strategy, right? That's what I was just mentioning before. What's your exit strategy? Well, when do you want to get out of the trade? And that's going to dictate how you invest, right? That's going to dictate how much you invest and when you invest. You've got to know when you want to get out, or at least when you want to take some profits, right? Yeah, Crow's a good one. Let's take a look at SHIB. I think it's up slightly here. Let's see. Ooh, that was a yawn. Probably only going to hang out for an hour on the stream. Can't believe it's already been 53 minutes. I am tired still from the move yesterday. I had the movers here. I don't want to complain, but you all know what it is. In a new city too. I should be going out and checking out the scene, but drove around last night. Looks really cool. Downtown looks really cool. There's a lot of people out and about. So yeah, here's SHIB. Okay, we're getting some action here. These are hour sticks. So a couple nice little pops here. We are up about 2.5% right now, so that's cool. Watching it closely. We've just been channeling here for a while. That's the thing. It's not really selling off like crazy. It's just channeling. I think you're just having a lot of people hold right now. You're not having a lot of new investors, right? BTC moving. Let's check it. Oh, yeah. Look at BTC's chart. These were the first couple. Look at these we drew. See, this was way back when. Okay, this was, well, 6 days ago. I said, look at this bullish signal here of BTC. You know, two very similar patterns back to back. bouncing off these lows at 29. It was below 30K. And then look what's happened since then. Two very similar patterns here. So, I mean, BTC obviously just controls the whole market. I mean, it's going to continue to rise here. I just think there are so many bullish signs right now. You know, whether it's data miss showing the short positions are way down. We know that summer months are just not big months for crypto. September, from the technical side, September 2020, things are shaping up to look exactly like that on the TA side as we're getting closer and closer to August. Can we all give the like button a kiss, take it out to dinner? Really help others find out about crypto and get good info. Appreciate it, Everto. That's what it's all about here on the Constant Growth channel too. If y'all are if it's your first time stopping in here, here's what we're about. Check your ego at the door, and we're all learning from each other. I don't know everything, right? I'm picking up some things as I go. I look at myself as a teacher. That's what I do by trade. I'm a teacher, but I'm also a learner and a facilitator, and I want us all to grow together. Hence why the banner says Constant Growth, and that's what we're doing here on YouTube, and we're doing that over in our private community too on Patreon. So consider that. I know tomorrow's the first of the month, but listen, right here on YouTube, it's all about helping each other, growing together, and winning together. We're not in competition with one another. We're growing all together, and that's what it's all about. So, all right, let's take a look at the poll results. How about that? Keith, what's happening, brother? How about XRP? It's looking nice. Yeah, we took a look at the chart earlier. Looking really nice. Milkshake could design a picture for me? That'd be cool. All right, so does ETH hit 10K in 2021? 64% says yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, we didn't hit this on XRP real quick. Let's hit on this. Average daily trading volume doubled to 4 billion in Q2. The daily trading volume of the cryptocurrency doubled to 4.48 billion per day on average, up from 2.26 billion recorded during the first 3 months of the year. How about that? That's pretty sweet. All right, as you can tell, I'm yawning like crazy. So I'm going to wrap up the stream. Just wanted to hop on, close out the month with a late night live stream. Tori, I appreciate you, man, and I appreciate each and everybody out there. Thank you all so much. Very, very grateful for each and every one of you out there. So on your way out, Algorand, I like it, Elmore. I like it, man. And on your way out the door, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Coming at you live from the new studio. I'm going to spice things up. I'll be on Amazon tomorrow looking for some wall art, I think. And that's it, man. And I'll be back tomorrow with a bunch of content. Tomorrow's Sunday. Maybe even a morning live stream. What do you think? A little Sunday morning live stream, get our coffee, get up and see where the market's at. I think that's in order. I think that's in order. Appreciate it, Mike. Stay hydrated. Always, brother. Got my H2O. That's all I need. Occasionally, you know, some other stuff, but Steven, you bet, man. Nicole, good night. Daniel, Everto, Darren, Anthony. That doesn't even include the Japan news, too. Japan launch was in Q3. It's going to get better. Appreciate you, brother. Sako Hunt, thank you so much for the super chat, man. Appreciate that. That means a lot. Appreciate it. The more live streams, the better. You got it, Anthony. I know you love them, too, man. I do, too. They take a lot out of you. They're a lot tougher mentally than doing a video. But I like the ad-libbing. I like the interaction. I love it. So I'll still be doing them. No question, man. Later, y'all. Elmore, take care, man. Appreciate you. See you, Dan. All right, y'all. Take care. See y'all soon. Good night. Good night. Peace out, y'all.